Uh-oh. 50 yards out. I'm back with another video. Today gonna be a banger. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Made to where I shoot guns. About to shoot these bowling pins. I'm gonna try to get every single one of these in a row, like rapid fire. I shot a gun since I was like 11. Really hope the GoPro picked that up.
Seven per clip. Counting as he shoots, he knows when he's. Now go down and see what you did, set the back, and you can give that thing a run.
You can see the dents in them now. You can see the dents in them at the tops. That's about it. This time I'm gonna try to get them all in a row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was horrible. He's about to ride a dirt bike for the first time ever. I kept going right over that berm. My pawn's literally right on the other side of that. I thought he was cooked. Uh-oh. I'm about to go drop off my my Mustang to my friend's shop with the H-pipe, so that should be getting done. And then when I pick up this video, it'll probably be the next day because I'm gonna pick it up Monday. But yeah, see you guys soon. This is how it sounds after the H-pipe. To head to a place to get some flybys, see what it sounds like from the outside, because from the inside it sounds so good, but outside I have no idea what it sounds like. But I guess we're gonna find out. Gonna have a friend record and then gonna do a little POV. But yeah, I think it sounds really good. Like in person it sounds completely different than over video. Like you can tell a difference. Like riding in it, driving it, you can hear it. And then like cold starts, it's so loud. Sounds so good. I don't be able to tell, but like in person it sounds so good. Oh, pause. Oh, don't know why I just know. It sounds so good though. The downshift sound crazy too. Hear that idle? Oh yeah, she sounds good. Oh my god. Well, it added some low end torque, it feels like a little bit.